Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Granny's Wild Edits. Today, Granny's doing something a little different, sugar. If I could start all over again in 2026, knowing what I know now, here's exactly what I'd do. No fluff. Just straight from the hip lessons from an old gal who's made plenty of mistakes along the way. First thing, make a real photography plan. Look, I didn't buy my first camera to turn pro or chase some big dream. Hell, I bought it because I was heading to Ireland and didn't want to come back with a bunch of blurry garbage. That was it. But it didn't work because I didn't have a clue what I was doing. After a whole bunch of folks kept telling me, "You're so good," I finally got a real pro critique. That man didn't pull any punches. He told me 3 out of my 10 images were magazine quality. He really liked one of my shots from Italy. My composition needed work, which I thought was fine, thank you very much. That I should consider turning pro because I had a good eye. Lord have mercy, it stung like a bee, but bless his heart, it lit a fire under me. My daughter suggested I take film classes at the college. After thinking it over for a while, I decided it was time to learn the right way. To capture moments with purpose instead of just hoping for the best. I learned to develop and print my own work. And that's when things started to really click. And you know why I did it? To slow my fast ass down. Film ain't cheap, sugar. Every frame costs real money. So you quit acting silly and start thinking before you click. That's why, if I was starting over in 2026, I'd begin with film. Regular 35mm and large format. Yup, film in 2026. When every shot costs real money, you stop spraying and praying like a fool with a machine gun. You actually pay attention to the light, the composition, and that perfect moment. Most folks don't know this. When you look through the back glass of a large format camera, the image is completely upside down. It forces you to really see and compose differently. While taking the film class, I used an old Calumet 4x5 monorail large format camera. Lord have mercy, that thing was a beast, and I loved it. Making sure that upside down image was perfectly straight and level took way more work than you'd think. You had to mess with tilt, swing, shift, rise, all those little adjustments. I can't remember all the names now or how they all worked, but it sure made you slow down and concentrate on how to accomplish it. Plus, you had to time everything just right. The exposure with the enlarger, the development stages of printing, one wrong move and you'd ruin the roll of negatives or waste a whole sheet of expensive paper chemicals, and half your afternoon. That darkroom discipline taught me more than all the free and purchased videos combined. Hell, I haven't even looked at those negatives since class. They're sitting in albums somewhere. I really should dig them out and get them scanned to digital one of these days. Okay, getting back to things. I'd take those film classes first thing, instead of wasting years just watching videos. Bless my heart, I learned more in one semester than I did staring at a computer screen. And I make myself wait a good couple of years before buying a digital camera. Learn the craft the right way first. Stop listening to folks who didn't have the chops. Too many years get wasted on bad advice. Learn earlier to quit being so hard on your own work. That inner critic holds a lot of people back. Quit being scared to let your work shine. That don't toot your own horn nonsense that gets drilled into too many of us as kids. Tell that voice to hush. Would have bought that large format camera years back and stuck with it. And I'd try a whole lot more editing software instead of sticking the same couple like a stubborn old mule. So listen close, darling. Whether you're just starting out or you've been at this a while and feel stuck, take it from your sassy old granny. Be honest with yourself. Work with heart. Learn the fundamentals the right way. And don't you dare be afraid to grow. Now, if you've got photos you'd like Granny to roast and fix or want an honest critique, here's how it works, sugar. Head over to the website, check out the details on how to submit, what I need, and my current rates. Granny don't work for free, darling, but I do work with love and sass. Hit subscribe and ring that bell for more real talk, roast, and lessons from the trenches. Next up, edit, then let it sit. Granny's trick to avoid over-editing. That's all I got for today. Thanks for stopping by, sugars. See y'all soon. Granny'll be a-waitin'.